So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a WordPress website, a beginner's guide. So guys, before we begin, if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews, so please consider subscribing. So to create a website we need a web hosting, and just for you guys I've given a 70% discount. The link is in the description. So we are going to use Bluehost. This is the best web hosting to host a website. The reason for that is they give you a free domain, they give you a free SSL, and it's just one-click WordPress installation. So guys, let's begin. So first things first, so to install a WordPress website you need to pick a domain, install WordPress, install a free theme, and then you are done. So we are going to do all of these things, and within 5 minutes you will be able to create your own website. So let's begin, guys. So first things first, you need to click on get started. Click the link down in the description to get 70% off. I would select the Choice Plus because it has unlimited website storage, bandwidth, free SSL, and there are a lot of things. So I would select this thing, and then I would select create a domain. So I would select a domain name, and then I would do next, and then fill out the information, and I would choose 12 months, and then just submit. Put on your card details and submit. So I've already done that, so I'm just going to log into my Bluehost. So guys, before we begin, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. So let's begin. So anyways, I'm into my Bluehost. I'll just log in. So once you're logged in, once you set up your payment details, once you put your credit card information, then you'll get an email confirmation, and then you have to come back on Bluehost, log in, and click on my sites, create sites. So put in your site name. For me it's gonna be a sample site. I'm not gonna put in the tagline, but you have to put in a tagline. So let's say your website is about football, so your tagline should be easy football tricks or something like that. And then I'll just click next. I'm not gonna install anything. For me, select your domain and just click next. For me, I already have my website, so I'm gonna just select sample one. Okay, click next. So it's gonna take a time. It's gonna take at least a minute to load. And guys, congratulations, this is how you install WordPress. So guys, it's really easy. In fact, if we come back to the Google slide, we have done this thing, we have installed WordPress. So these two things are done. Now we need to install a free theme, and then guys, you all are done. It's so simple. So now you just have to click on log into WordPress. Once you're over here, so it's loading depending on your internet speed. Once it's loaded, so currently right now this is your dashboard. So the first things first, what we have to do is come on settings, click on permalinks, click this as post name. The reason for that is you want your website pages and posts to show the keyword, which is sample post right now. But currently right now, let's say if we go back to our website, if we go visit site, currently this is a blog post. It shows this number. We don't want that. We want it to show the post name. So just click on post name and just save changes. Okay, so what will happen is if I come on my website, if I refresh it, now this will show me the post name. This will help me optimize in Google and rank my searched keyword or my post keyword. Once that's done, the next thing is coming soon active. So basically what it does is Bluehost is, so I'll just show you an example. So currently Bluehost, what it does is your website shows coming soon. So it doesn't let anyone see your website until and unless it's launched. But anyways, we are just gonna launch it. You can do this at the end, but I'd like to do it at the beginning. So now we are just gonna install a theme. We are gonna come over here, click on add new theme, and I'm gonna select Astra, and then install. Just type in Astra over here, ASTRA, and then install. And once it's installed, you just have to click activate. Once it's activated, okay, again you go back to your website. Again, you need to congratulate yourself because you could see everything is changed. So congratulations on your WordPress website, you have installed a theme, and now just few changes to be done. So what we'll do is come on appearance, come on Astra options, click on install importer plugin. Once you click on that, click Elementor and then do next. And then I would just go on the blog theme. So these are free templates, so I'm gonna install this one. Just click here, I'm gonna import my site. So it's gonna take time depending on your internet speed. Usually it takes around 1 minute, so I'll pause the video and get back to you soon. So guys, we are done. If you click on our website, so this is how our website looks right now. Just gonna refresh it. So yeah, this is how our website looks. Now we need to edit it. Editing it is really easy. You just have to click on edit with Elementor. Once you click on edit with Elementor, so it's really easy right now. You can just type in your name. It's really easy. If you don't want this, just right click and delete. If you want to change the image, come over here, click on style. You can remove the image, you can put a gradient picture, you can put something else. And guys, this is, and then you can just preview your changes. So I'll just have to update it. Yeah, as you could see right now. So this website is mobile responsive and looks really amazing. If you want to change in your logo, it's really simple to change your logo. Come back to your dashboard. So basically all you have to do is over here, click on exit to dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, click on appearance, click on Astra options, click upload logo. So Astra options, upload logo. You can do a lot of things. Once this is loaded, so once you are here, just change logo. You can upload your logo. So guys, so I'll just upload my logo. It's on downloads. Select this. And I'm gonna upload my logo, crop image, and as you could see, my website is done. So guys, this is how you create your WordPress website. It's really easy, just using a drag and drop builder. I'm just gonna show more to you. Very easy to use. So just gonna refresh this, edit with Elementor. You don't want this, you can delete this, you can delete it. So easy guys, it's just right click and delete. I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna delete everything and then delete. Okay, now once you're here, you can just drag drop your heading. Okay, you can come over here, you can put an image over here. It's so easy to use. If you want a smaller image, thumbnail image, you could put a thumbnail image. You can delete this thing. You can add something over here, how many columns you want. You can want 3 columns. Come back over here. You can add 4 videos over here, 1 video, and then you could add 1 video over here, a video over here. So easy to use guys. And I want 1 button over here, icon. You can, you could do whatever you want. I want a progress bar over here. You can do anything you want. And also they have pre-made templates where you don't have to create anything, or they are already created. So I could, if I want to add this block, I can add this one. I can just insert, and that's it guys, as you could see. And then if I just view my updated and this preview changes, my website looks really professional. Just 1 minute. Yeah, so as you could see, you can add some changes, and this is how your website would look. It's very easy to create your website, and I hope you really like the video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. And also the bonus I told you in the beginning. So guys, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's a step-by-step instructions. So I tell you the best web hosting, the best security plugin, the best to-dos for the WordPress website, so you could rank #1 in Google. And I also tell you how you can make passive money running a web design business. So please the link is down below, and thank you for watching.